Welcome everyone. Uh, in this video, we will see what is pickling and unpickling, right? So first of all, I want to tell you one thing, guys. Uh, there are there are two processes. First process is a serialization, and second one is a deserialization. And we have to know about this serialization and deserialization processes. So I will tell you what is a serialization. So serialization is a process where we can convert Python object data into byte stream data. You know, guys, what is a byte stream data? Byte stream data is a machine code data, right? So if we have to send data over a network and over web services, that time we need to serialize data, right? Without serialize, we cannot send data over network, right? So it's a serialization. So and then what is a deserialization? So deserialization is a process to converting back in real format of our data from byte stream to our real Python object data, right? So these are the two processes, serialization and deserialization. Like that, the pickling and unpickling works like that, right? So pickling, what is the use of pickling? Pickling convert pickling convert Python object data into byte stream data, right? So for that we have to open. I will go with Visual Studio Code, right? So for that we have to create one file. First file will be pickling. You can give any name, pickling1.py, and then we need to import pickling pickle module, right? Which is provided by Python, is default. We no need to import it. We can simply import by using import pickle, right? And then we have to open one file, which name, what is the name of file? The name of file will be csv. And what is csv? Csv stands for comma separated value, and this csv file contain bytecode, right? So we'll create a one csv file. So I will create an object and open file, then write name pickle.csv, command mode of file wb. It means a write binary, it is a mode. And then print, I will print this object fh. Control s, I will f5, and then run this file, right, guys? So you can see here it's running. 1 second, guys. So you can see we have created one csv file and open, it's blank. So we need to send data and we need to convert data inside this pickle.csv, right? Then I will create one more file. It's a class file, right? Class1.py. In class1.py I will create one class and create a constructor, class student. No, we'll take employee, right? So student is common, so employee. And then create one constructor. we'll pass we'll pass name, marks. First one is a RNO, roll number, comma, name, comma, marks, right? Then we'll declare as a instance variable RNO equals to RNO. Then self dot name equals to name. Then self dot marks equals to marks, right? Then return str. Now we'll return one method which is responsible for getting this all data. We'll create one method, show method, show, and pass cell parameter and return f string cell dot rno, then cell dot name, then cell dot marks, right? So we have created one class, and in class we have passed three variable, and now I will import this class or import this module. What is module name? Module name is a class name, class 1, right? And then I will I will create one object. What is object? Right, object of which class? Class 1. Class 1 dot, what is class? Employee class. And inside employee class, first one, roll number will be 1, name will be Ajay, and then marks, my marks is 99, right? And then I will use, or there is one method, it's a dump method, which is used to dump all data inside of this csv file. So create we need to just create import this dump method from pickle. So use pickle dot dump, right? And in this dump we have to pass object. First one is a, what is first one will be the object of our class, and second one will be the fh, which is a file object, right? Then simply print this, simply print this, control s f5. And now guys, you can see, one second guys, it's running, none. You can see guys, it's converted. We have successfully converted python object data into csv file or bytestream data, right? It's not human readable, it's only machine readable, right? So what is use and why, what is benefit of this pickling? The benefit of pickling is we can reduce the size of our code, and we can reduce the size of our data, and store it in disk, right. Then now I want to unpickle this data. So I will create one more module. Its name will be unpickle dot py, unpickle one dot py, right? And then we'll import pickle comma class 1, right? And now I will open file, open, what is a file name? File name is a pickle dot csv, right? Comma mode will be the rb, right? It's a reading mode. And then we'll create one object obj equals to, what is object? Then object equals to, there is a one method, it's load method, which convert back into the original format the string data, which data? So binary data or bytestream data, right? So just import from pickle dot load, right? And just pass the file name. What is the file name? It's a fh, it's an object, right? Then print obj dot show method, right? We have a show method, right? Control s f5. Yes guys, you can see here guys, it's getting back in original format, right? Load method return the our actual data, actual python data back into real format from CSV file. And CSV file contain which code? Which code? It's a binary code and binary data, which is a byte stream data, right? So this is a pickling and unpickling. So I hope guys you have enjoyed this video, and you have cleared about, you have cleared up doubts about what is pickling and unpickling. So if you have any question, so just ask me in comment box. I will definitely reply it. And subscribe with my channel and like video. So for getting new video from my channel. And thank you guys.